So today into this container here I put my frozen cube of coconut yogurt made from the last batch. We're not going to be using that today. I'll get rid of that, and I'm only going to make 3 litres today. This one 5 and 6, so that's providing a source. That's providing a source of fibre for the bugs that like using fibre in their growth. Right now, we'll put a little bit of cold water in there. The purpose of that is to disperse the fibre source and also melt the frozen cube. So that's all dispersed. Right. Next we need the coconut cream. Now I like this particular brand of coconut cream, and the reason I like it is it's 99.9% coconut, and it's 3 litres, and I'll actually leave these containers to drain on here and add that into the final brew. Now when I know that the frozen cube has melted, in that goes. And just give that a stir. So we'll put the lid on.